Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how you can create Devin AI account. So make sure to watch the video till the very end. And let's begin. So first of all, just go into Google and type in devin.ai. You will be redirected to this page. Now on this page, you have to click on this button right here on the bottom left where it says request access. Click on this. Then over here you have to type in your email address. Now I tell them what you would like to use Devin for. So let's say I want to use it for coding and analytics. And then over here you just have to share more information about yourself. So let's just say since I have a YouTube channel, I'll say I have a YouTube channel. And then I'll just put in the YouTube channel name over here. And then you just have to click on request access. So that's basically how you can create Devin AI account. So that's all for this video. Hope you liked the video. Thanks.